Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We have a VW Passat 2018. We got two doors quite bad damage. As you can see, front door will be second hand and the back door that's going to be repaired. It's quite bad damage, but the back door is very expensive, and the guy, he can't afford to buy a back door, so we're trying to save him some money. Here you go, the car is being painted. We just pulled it out from the oven. As you can see, that the door was completely damaged and crushed. That's repaired. Of course, we have to blend the front wing, and we have to blend the quarter panel to match the color. It will have no different color at all. This is the door. We have to take, there is a rubber seal here, so we took that one off and we ordered a new one, and then paint it and we lacquered it.